Do you say in Monday or on Monday? Do you say at night or in night? If you're not 100% sure, don't worry because today we're going to master in, on, and at. And you're going to practice with me. To start, let's look at what is in and how we use it. We use in for months, for example, July. We use in for seasons, example, summer, and we use in for parts of the day, example, the morning. Now, for on, we use on for days and dates, for example, Monday, for example, Saturday. And we use at for an exact time like 7, 3:30, or at night. So we're going to practice fill in the blanks first so that we can know how to use these prepositions of time. So let's read the first one carefully. I brush my teeth, blank space, the morning. So morning is our clue here. And if you go to the little chart, at, on, we don't use these. We use in for parts of the day. So we can write on the line our answer in. Now you can practice reading it with me. I brush my teeth in the morning. Now let's go to number two. We have a test Friday. Our clue here, preposition of time, the time here is Friday, and we use on for days and dates. So let's write it and let's read the sentence. We have a test on Friday. Number three, my father gets home 6 o'clock. So the preposition of time is at. So we can go ahead and write it on the line and let's read it together now. My father gets home at 6 o'clock. Now, my birthday is December. The time here is December and we use in for months as you can see. So let's write in and let's read it together. My birthday is in December. Now, number five, I do my homework evening. The evening is your time and we use in for parts of the day. So let's write in and now let's read the sentence. I do my homework in the evening. Number six, we visited grandma Sunday. So which one do we use? In, on, or at? Well, we use on for days and date. So we can write on as our answer and let's read it now with the answer. We visited grandma on Sunday. Number seven, the movie starts 3:30. So it's an exact time, so we need to use at. Let's write it on the line at. Let's read it now. The movie starts at 3:30. How about number 8? We go to the beach summer. Our time here is summer. So which preposition of time is this one? This one is in. We use in for seasons. So let's write it and let's read the sentence together. We go to the beach in summer. Now that you understand filling in prepositions of time in the blank spaces, now let's practice circling the correct answer. Let's start with the first one. I wake up in, on, or at 7 o'clock. Well, 7 o'clock is an exact time and we're going to use at. So our answer for this one, let's circle at and now let's read it together. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Let's look at number 2. My birthday is in, on, at July. Which preposition do we use for months? The preposition for month is in. So our answer for this one is in. Now let's read it with the answer. My birthday is in July. Number 3, we have English class in, on, at Monday. The time is Monday and we use on for days. So let's read it now with the answer. We have English class on Monday. Number 4, I eat breakfast in, on, at the morning. Morning, we use in. That's correct. We use in for parts of the day. Let's read this sentence now with the answer. I eat breakfast in the morning. Number 5, she goes to bed in, on, at night. So the specific exact time is night. So we have to use at for night. Now let's read it with the answer. She goes to bed at night. Let's look at number 6. We play soccer in, on, at the afternoon. So the afternoon is part of a day. So we have to pick in for this one. We play soccer in the afternoon. Let's look at number 7. My family watches TV in, on, at the evening. So the evening is part of the day, so we have to pick in for this one. Now let's read it with the answer. My family watches TV in the evening. Number 8. The party is in, on, at Saturday. So we use on for days and dates. So let's circle our answer. The party is on Saturday. Number 9. School starts in, at, on 8:30. This is an exact time, so we have to pick at. School starts at 8:30. If this lesson helped you understand in, on, and at, give this video a like. Subscribe for more daily English practice, and I'll see you in the next class.